Ukrainian helicopter, Mi-8, intercept Shahed kamikaze drone during Russian missile and drone attack on Ukraine.
Да. Бач, пікірує.
Бачиш? Воно дивись ще.
Ага. Зараз буде бабах. Може. Востро.
In the Kharkiv region, a Ukrainian drone strike using the Baba Yaga-type drone resulted in the destruction of a vehicle. The attack reportedly led to 2 Russian deaths and 8 injuries.
Идет машина. И БК какой-то погорело. Ну там вроде как успели что-то вытащить. Вот, а что-то сгорело. Люди тоже, по-моему, 2 погибли. 8 ранены. И все, в итоге сюда больше перестали заезжать на эту дорогу. Чтобы БГ больше не палило. А недавно прилетело, когда в Тахамадер отсюда уводили с нашего направления.
Activities of the Ukrainian group Black Company near the village of Nikolskoye, Donetsk Oblast. Kursk, People's Republic. For many bloggers and leaders of society's opinion who claims that in Kursk offensive we are wasting our reserves, vehicles and ammunition. We achieved those results with a small number of troops. About ammunition. Here you can see that Russians left a lot of ammo and now we are dropping in on their heads, said the Ukrainian Corn Group.
Показывали это у себя на телеграм-канале.
Ukrainian paratroopers clear a village of Russian soldiers in the Kursk region. Ukrainian tank withstands a hit from a Lancet. The footage from inside the house where the tank shoots.
Выход, походу, был. О, ебать! Нахуй валим отсюда!
The 9th day of a fire at an oil depot in Prolatarsk, there is still a lot of smoke, darkening the entire horizon. Eyewitnesses report that the highway near the facility is blocked, and the only way around it is via a dirt road. Russia. Locomotive on fire in Ulyanovsk. Moscow suburbs, the operation of the Russian anti-aircraft missile system 96K6 Pantsir-S, mounted on the tower, on Ukrainian kamikaze drones.
Сколько она по времени перезаряжается?
And for the end, Spain's Guardia Civil is facing criticism from the Spanish press and NGOs after one of their boats tried to intercept a boat with smugglers and migrants trying to illegally enter Spain from Morocco, but accidentally ran it over. Somehow, nobody was hurt. What are your thoughts on this?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.